I'm Matt Ziegler with Zigmeister Brewing, here with your craft beer and brewing tip of the week. So hops will usually come to you or you can get them in two different forms. You can get a pelletized version of your hop, or it can come straight off the vine in a cone version. Most people nowadays prefer to use pelletized hops. They are the broken down form of your leaf hops, and it gives you more a better extraction rate for the flavors you're looking for the bitterness quality. You can use less of them than a flower hop or a leaf hop. The leaf hop is very traditional. There are breweries still using leaf hops. You just need to use a lot more of them. The issue that I find with using leaf hops is not only do they end up clogging up my pumps a lot, but the amounts that I have to use are typically in the range of 3 to 4 times the weight of using a pelletized hop. Also, the leaves tend to close down when introduced to a liquid, so you have to do the extra step of kind of breaking them up a little bit and roughing up the outside so that the liquid can get into the leaf and extract those lupulin glands and all the oils that you're looking for the flavor or the bitterness that you're going to be getting. For more info on recipe development, click the link below.